Right everyone, I've managed to, you'll see the video when it's up, but I've done videos on how to make these, and I'm just calling them the flower appliques, and you make everything by hand to make your own patch, so to speak, and this one I just love. So what I've decided to do is to make you a kit of, so you can do something like this yourself. But using, every one of them are unique and different. So when I say that, I've done 3 identical in pinks, and you get a contrasting colour, and 3 identical in blues and cream. And I'm giving you everything you need to make at least maybe 2 or 3 of those. As you can see, there's not much on them, but you'll have enough to do 2 or 3 out of one kit. So I'm going to share with you the, well, let's do the blue one first, because we always do pink, don't we? Let's just put those away. I've got beads everywhere. So in the blue kit you're going to get, you need the chiffon base, and it is chiffon. And the hoop doesn't come involved. You have to, you know, do the hoop yourself or do it without a hoop. So I'm just going to empty the whole bag so you can see what's in the kit. Right, I have to put it back as I do it. So there's your piece of chiffon, nice size piece, but you can do this on tulle or whatever it is you want to do use for the base. I'm selling it as 1, but I know I can get at least 3 out of it. So you get your fabric, which you can make one of the, well, you don't have to make those, a different flower. So that's a nice blue. You can cut it like this one is what I used this fabric on, and I did it in, cut individual petals out and did it that way. So you've got fabric to do that in the satin, the blue satin. Let me just get all this to one side. Now I've put some blue ribbon in so that you can do blue flowers in organza. And you've also got some pale blue, so you do a double layer if you want to, or 2 different coloured flowers. Do different flowers, don't stick to the same. I've also put you some... yes, sorry, that was the tatty. So I've put in a good chunk of the Nottingham lace in cream in this one. The pink one, I haven't done the pink. I've just got the lace to cut for the pink one. It's got pink lace in. You've got cream feathers. Now I only use the snipping of one, but I've put your couple in. You always use them somewhere else or to do something different. I've cut you some, oh, what do they call this stuff? Like a canvas type leaf, using the pinking scissors. Now, just in case you want a bit of green in yours, you've got enough here to cut some leaves out if you want, or do whatever you want to do with them. You could like fold it over, stitch it along there, pull it in and make a tiny little flower. It's completely up to you, but I've cut enough to do 6 leaves if you want to put leaves. They do look really nice with leaves. I've put some blue satin, yeah, this is a satin ribbon, silk ribbon, sorry, blue silk ribbon in a lighter blue. Some white, in case you want to do something with that. And you've got a cream and a white rose. Because if you look what I've done with mine, I've put 1 in. You only need 1 per flower. And the ribbons do this. And then the fabric does that one. So you've got those. And then a selection of appliques, and I'll show you what I did with this one. I used some appliques on here. See, little tiny ones, bits and pieces, do your leaves, whatever you want to do. So I've given you a selection of those, because if you want to do, you can get at least 3 of these out. So just a piece of that to stick out somewhere. That one you can cut the daisies and put them somewhere, and then use a central one, and then the little one there as well. So that's that. And then what you're getting in your goodie bag, you've all got your seed beads. Now in here you've 2 different seed beads, maybe 3 actually. But I've just put them all together because, yeah, there's some bigger ones and smaller ones. And different colours, because you might want to embroider something. Like I've done this here. And I think I did something on here, didn't I? Yeah, I put some beading around there as well. But you might want to make one of the centres. Do you remember how I showed you how to make the centre? So you might want to bead it or something. So you've got those. Now, I'm just going to get something to put this in to show you. Use my lid. Oops. So I've put you some trimming in case you want to cut them off, put them somewhere. The thing with this is you can either glue them on or stitch them. They've got little holes around. And then you've got space in there to put a little diamante. A different colour if you want to do that. Put some in there to make your main flower. The pink ones are slightly different. You've all got these. A selection of beads. I mean, you've got droplets because you can hang. I could hang, see, off this one. If I wanted to, I could just hang that there. It's completely up to you what you do with them. But I've put them in anyway. I've put you in a diamante because you might want to use that as the middle of something. Nice blue bead. A nice multicoloured flower. It's got glitter on it, multicoloured, so that can go somewhere. One of those that you can put somewhere. Acrylic one of those. Some little bling bits. Oops. Lots of little ditties. Or diddies, whatever, and then another one in a small one. Lots of little diddy things that you can play around with in various colours and make something. And you can use your pearls and various bits to embroider onto your flowers or whatever it is you want to do with them. So that is what's in your kit. And that is a beautiful kit. And there's lots in there for you to play around with. So that's the blue one. They're not wrapped like Tatty does hers. I don't have them kind of bags. We just have these. But I'm going to get some smaller bags. But that's your kit. And then, like I say, I've just got to put the pink in. Oh, wait a minute. Where's your flowers gone? I didn't see them. Where's them flowers gone? You've got 6 of these, I think. Oh, here they are. Oh, I forgot these as well. Sorry. This is come out the blue kit. I've put a little bit of different colour for you in that one. So you've got that. Sorry about that. I knew I put them flowers in. You've got that little bit that you can, you know, like stick a bit out like this. Just cut a piece off, do whatever you want. And those roses that you can either colour or keep as is and use them as fillers. So that is the blue kit. Sorry about that. And then, like I say, you've got more or less the same with the pink one. So it's peaches and pinks and creams, ribbons, all the same appliques. You've got this applique, the big one. And your beads more or less the same, but all colour coordinated. And I've just, like I said, I've just got to put your Nottingham lacing in pink. So that's the kit. Three of those available, 3 of these available. I'm going to be doing them in different colours. But for now, that's what we've got. Because I've got to make sure I've got all the colours that you need to craft with. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. And like I said, these are what you can make. And that is just beautiful. Bye-bye for now.